much. Felt like 2024 is preparing me for the best year of my life, which is going to be 2025. Just have this amazing feeling about 2025. Like it is going to be so good for me. I am going to travel so much. I'm going to take care of my body, and I'm going to achieve everything that I've made on my vision board. Hope you too achieve all the good things in 2025 because we are going to do it together. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you.
Oh my god. Okay. Hi everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vishwa Joshi and this is my 2025 through my Instagram feed. All right, let's begin. This year has been absolutely insane and I just have so much emotions right now. Anyway, let's get right into it. The first post from the 1st of January. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. She had absolutely no idea what's coming for her this year. These pictures are from the New Year's party at a friend's place. We played Uno and we dressed up and clicked pictures. And I wrote the caption, "Hello, dearest 25," without knowing कि ये जो लड़की है अभी इस फोटो में, this girl is completely going to change, like completely going to change. All right, talking about January was the month of meri dost ki shadi. I dressed up really nice and it was such a fun evening. Oh my god, this night was just absolute fun. हम लोग बहुत नाचे, हमने बहुत बहुत खाना खाया, हमने बहुत बातें की. What not we have done. Bharg Setu, she got married to Prem. Shout out to Prem Setu. Oh, also on the 15th of Jan, I learned how to fly kites. मैंने पतंग चगानी सीख ली क्योंकि आसपास सब पतंग चगा रहे थे और मुझे नहीं आ रही थी, तो आई वाज लाइक मैं सीख लूँगी, तो आई लर्नड हाउ टू फ्लाई काइट्स. All right, moving on to February, 1st of February, your once in a while dose of black and white. Such a sweetheart. That's me and Naisu. Very cute. 6th of February, I broke my foot. मतलब ऐसे ही चलते चलते मैं लुढ़क ली. 26th of February, I am in Abu Dhabi. First trip of the year. Let's go. I had so much fun in Abu Dhabi. Oh my god. It was such a good experience. I went alone without friends and everybody. वहाँ जाके मैंने दोस्त बनाए and everything. But this picture, 28th of February, this picture is my favorite. I love this dress. I love how I look in this dress. I love the background. I love blue. God bless blue. Absolute ahaha diva. I love her. I love her so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, you silly little baby. Going on to March. मार्च में आती है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड की बर्थडे. 8th of March भवी की बर्थडे. 15th of March होली दुलेटी. 23rd of March, me and Bhavi got this tattoo done. 369, this tattoo. This one. ये tattoo हमने करवाया हम दोनों ने. It basically is the key to the universe. My name means universe and 369 are like my lucky numbers, and Bhavi also believes in universe a lot, and it's a manifestation technique as well. So a lot of that, and I believe that after this tattoo my life changed kind of for good. 28th of March, I really love these pictures. So what was I doing in March? I don't remember. I feel like I was doing absolutely nothing in March. I feel like I was doing nothing in March. I did not do anything in March. Let's go to April. Pehli hi post is quite a lazy post. I went to Ahmedabad for a day. I received a lot of flowers in these months. I love flowers, and the people who love me, they know how much I love flowers. 12th of April, I love this post. Okay, I know I keep saying, I love this post, but honestly, I feel like this year, my pictures have turned out really good. 12th of April, I am in some garden. I feel like in the first half of this year, ऐसा कुछ क्रेजी सा नहीं हुआ है. अप्रैल में मेरी कथक की एग्ज़ाम थी, फर्स्ट ईयर की एग्ज़ाम, एंड आई did so well in it, and I passed with flying colors. Distinction mila hai mujhe. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself for that. Let's go to May. I attended a lot of events in May. This is a really cute picture. I got like as a flowers painted on my face. 16th of May, I met Priya, Manisha, and they got me flowers, lilies, because I'm a lily girl. Okay, 21st of May, Dave came back from the US and he got me flowers, and he got a lot of things for me as well. And then we planned the trip. If you've seen my YouTube videos, you know which trip I'm talking about. Moving on to June. All right, now this is when the fun begins. Now I have a lot to like say and a lot to like do, and I've posted a lot. We planned the Udaipur trip. Me, Jeet, Madhav, and Dev. Me and my 3 guy friends, and we just went for it. We were just like, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, let's just go, because we were so in desperate need of a trip, and हम लोग बस निकल लिए. Okay, 6th of June, such beautiful places. रोज के 10K steps complete, 10K से भी ऊपर complete हो रहे थे of course, क्योंकि हम बहुत चल रहे थे और हम बहुत घूम रहे थे. और अगर आपने मेरे YouTube videos देखे हैं, then you'll know that we walked a lot. 10th of June वाली जो पोस्ट है, these pictures are my favorite from the entire trip. ये देव ने लिए है. He also got like a camera और photos खींचे जा रहा था. Again, if you've seen the YouTube videos, you'll know. I also met Abhi and we created reels together, and he's a really sweet guy. Okay, 15th of June वाली जो पोस्ट है वो भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I really love the outfit that I wore that day. It was really something that I had in mind and it worked out. So that was the trip. उसके बाद 21st of June, these pictures are clicked by Manisha. मैं प्रिया मनीषा से मिली थी. Every few months I feel like we have to have a girls meeting to debrief whatever is going on in our lives, and then we are like continuously talking on WhatsApp that who's free on which day and how can we meet and कब तक मिल सकते हैं और कितने बजे मिल सकते हैं और कहाँ मिल सकते हैं, because again even though we live in the same city, we live like बहुत far away, तो हम बीच में कई जगह ढूंढते हैं. Okay, so that was June. Now moving on to July. July, oh my god, I spent entire July in Bombay, and one word I'll use for this month is magical, because miracles were happening left, right, and center with me, with people around me. I was hearing stories about miracles happening in other people's lives. तो जुलाई वॉज ऑनेस्टली इट फेल्ट लाइक कि कुछ मेरे कंट्रोल में है ही नहीं, ये तो हम कुछ कर नहीं रहे, सब यूनिवर्स कर रहा है. आई स्टेड एट पाहिनीज. शाउट आउट टू पाहिनी. ओके, नाउ दिस इज व्हाई इट इज सो important to have good friends in your life, because I went to Bombay on the 29th of June. Okay, अब 29th, 30 and 1st, मैं ये 3 दिन I stayed at a PG and it was just like the worst experience of my life. शाम को मेरी workshop खत्म करके I called Pahini crying. And I was like, I cannot stay here. I just don't feel like staying here. Pahini was like, वो सब छोड़, तू अपना सामान पैक कर and just come at my place, stay at my place, just shut up. And honestly, to have a friend who says that to you in a city which just completely feels so foreign to you at that time. अब तो मुझे I know my way around Bombay, but उस time पे I was just so not okay with it, with the situation that I was living in. So she was like, just stay with me. And I have no words to thank her, honestly. She has been a gem of a friend. Love you, Pahini. Shout out, Pahini. 9th of July, I love this outfit. And I also love the caption, Kali Pili. मेरी और मेगा की रील वायरल चली गई, घर की बड़ी बेटी, घर की छोटी बेटी वाली. Okay, 16th of July, we shot a scene from a Pakistani drama. तो वो उसमें मेरा नाम था हाला का कैरेक्टर प्ले किया था, एंड उसमें एक वर्ड था तहम्मुल. सो तहम्मुल से काम लेना, And so that's the caption. All right, so July is also the month that I fell in love, and so you'll see a lot of cute date pictures and all of that. Moving on to August, May. It started off with me visiting Navsari because, of course, Raksha Bandhan, and I met my niece, my cutie. Navratri shoot, Navratri content shoot करना start कर दिया था हमने. I got to wear such beautiful outfits, and the pictures turned out really nice. And Ganpati Bappa Moria! Ganpati Bappa came home again this year, and I am just so grateful that I am capable enough to bring Ganpati Bappa home every year. I just get to spend time with him and my family. But this year, Ganesh Chaturthi ke time pe, for a few days I went to Bombay because we had to shoot for the Detective Abhay Kumar, Yash Lalwani की जो series है, उसका shoot था. So for a few days I went to Bombay and then I came back. Moving on to September, my birthday month. सितंबर में बहुत कुछ हुआ है. And of course I turned 23. 4th of September वाली जो post है, it is from the set of Jogi Nache, the music video that came out later that month. 12th of September, I attended a fake Sangeet party with my guy friends and my girlfriends, and we had a lot of fun. We danced around and everything. Okay, birthday month, Navratri, music video is also coming out. A lot of brands are also coming in. A lot of things are happening this month. 14th of September, Jogi Nachi teaser came out. 19th of September, I got to work with L'Oreal and I colored my hair for the first time. So that was something, that was an experience. Will I do it again? I don't know, but we'll see. अब मैं कुछ बोलूँगी नहीं because I feel like every month I am a different person and I have different choices and I want to do different things. All right, and Navratri begins. I got to wear such beautiful outfits. Oh my god, shout out to Maine Creations. They also gave me my birthday outfit, which is this one. And in between Navratri, on 27th of September, comes my 23rd birthday. Oh my god, this birthday was something. Usually every year I have such amazing birthdays. Like, people around me know how excited I am for my birthday, and they make sure to make it the best day of my year. But this birthday was a little different. It was quite subtle, and I wouldn't say that it was one of the best birthdays that I've had. Though the best thing about this birthday was, of course, my girlfriends. They made me so happy. They got me flowers and so many beautiful gifts and such lovely, lovely words. And of course, my family, they make sure that I have the best birthdays. Okay, more Navratri pictures. Okay, let's move on to October. I got myself a birthday gift and I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself, so proud of myself. I got myself my first car, my Celeste. My baby, I love her so much. I got to drive her a few times, but I feel like जब से Celeste आई है तब से I have been traveling so much that I don't get to spend time with her and even my parents as much. 9th of October, and again, Madam is in Bombay. I was shooting for a web series, vertical series, and it was so much fun. Oh my god, such fun I had on set, and such lovely people. I made so many good friends on that set. This is again a dump from my Bombay trip. From Bombay, I came to Vadodara and then we went to Navsari because October, May, it was Diwali time, and met my niece and I spent time with my family. 20th of October वाली जो post है, and we did Saal Mubarak, Saal Mubarak, Saal Mubarak to everybody, and earned a lot of cover. 24th of October, we attended the Mehfil at Mitra's place. Like, every time it was just magical, it was musical, it was amazing, it was such a fun night. Okay, moving on to November. Now, I'm not really a big fan of November this year. Too much mentally for me, and I had to start therapy. In November, I went through a phase when I just could not recognize myself at all. I saw versions of myself which I never thought that I would ever get to see, and I would ever become this person. and I was just all over the place. It was really bad for me mentally. So, not a big fan of November this year. But 3rd of November, again, I started this month with being in Bombay. 8th of November, I came back. And yeah, that's what's been going on. After coming from Bombay, I went to Ahmedabad. So like I spent first week of November in Bombay, and then I came back, and then I went to Ahmedabad. So I spent the second and third week in Ahmedabad at Bharg's place, because she had a baby girl. I became Masi. So I spent time with Bharg and Bhiara, and of course my Kiwi and my Bholu. 18th of November, again I am in Ahmedabad. 20th of November, I am in Ahmedabad. 21st, 22nd of November, me and Naisu did trends together. 24th of November, I'm spending time with Bhiara. 25th of November, of course, I shot for a few brands. Okay, now back to Vadodara. The last week of November, I spent in Vadodara. 26th of November, I gave an audition. The same audition through which I got selected, and I'm working on that project currently. It is a Gujarati movie. Picture super hit, and I'm having the best time of my life working on this project. 28th of November, wedding season. I love this outfit. I love this post. I love this look. And apparently you guys as well loved this. Okay, so that was November for me. It brought a lot of endings, and let's just move on to December. 1st of December, I spent time doing Kathak and going around with my friends and just trying to heal, trying to process whatever happened last month. December is the month that I took the maximum amount of therapy. And again, like every month after June 2025, in December 2025 as well, Bombay calls me and I'm there shooting for Picture Super Hit. So 6th of December, I went to Bombay. 8th of December, I went out with my girlfriends. And again, this is why it is so important to have good friends in your life, because these girls just took me out and we had amazing time. 11th of December, we announced that we are shooting for the movie. Okay, so हमारा shoot schedule खत्म हो गया at around 15th or 16th of December, and I came back home. Then it was time for Christmas. So I got beautiful pictures clicked. ये वाला जो photo है मेरा, I am just absolutely in love with. You know, जैसे last month November में I had that one post that was my favorite. This year, this is the post that is my favorite. And then I went to Ahmedabad. I met Mitra and I met Naisu and we hung out and it was really fun. I went there for like 2 days and I came back. This year has been just insane. I worked so much this year. I'm so grateful for this year. I got to work with so many brands this year. I got to work so much this year and I got to meet so many amazing people. I had such amazing experiences. I got such good friends. I got myself my first car. I fell in love. I got my heart broken. I started therapy and I recommend therapy to everybody else around me. I am a completely different person now, and this reminds me that in the starting of this year, I saw a video that said that for number 9, I am number 9 because 27th. So for number 9, this year is going to change everything for you. And I kid you not, it did change everything for me. I am absolutely grateful for this year. It was such a special year, and the biggest thing that this year gave me was myself. I just cannot not be grateful. Whew. All right, now let's talk about the vision board. So this is the vision board for my year 2025. I'll tell you what all came true. I did start eating healthy. I did start taking care of my body. I did travel a lot. I wore a similar dress and went on a similar date, though it was not in Paris, it was in Bombay. I got myself my first car. Of course, it is not Porsche, but my dearest Celeste is no less than any luxury car. Hair, it was a good year for my hair as well. Apparently, ये जो shade है, I colored my hair in. Talking about acting, I did a lot of acting this year. I learned a lot about this art this year. I am free of migraine. Oh my god. This year, I've had the worst migraine attacks. So I just grabbed a marker and I just wrote it on the vision board ki I am free of migraine. And uske baad se, like, I every day I used to affirm it. I'm the luckiest girl alive. That I agree with. 217 million followers. I feel like the universe got confused in the M and the K because I did cross 217K followers this year, and I'm grateful for it. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, so that is that for 2025 Vision Board 2025 wrap. I'm super grateful for each and every one of you who is watching this video. And honestly, I don't have that huge feeling about 2026 which I had for 2025. I feel like I'm moving into a new karmic cycle. I'm changing places, I'm changing people, I am changing myself, and I get to experience life all over again with all the lessons that I've already learned. The three biggest lessons that I learned this year is, first, do not rush. Do not rush into things, especially if it involves your heart. Second, good friends can get you out of the worst phases of your life. You must keep them around and you must reach out every time you feel like you are drowning, every time you feel like you are going into a downward spiral. And third is, you are the creator of your own reality. You are the one that should validate your own feelings. You are the one that should judge your own self. You are the one that should take your decisions. Of course, ask a million people, but then do what your heart really asks you to do, because I feel like your soul, it does know the path. You just need to listen to it. All right, I'll see you in 2026. There's already so much lined up for 2026, and it feels like the year has already started even before it has started. I feel like ये video बहुत लंबा हो गया है, so thank you so much. Subscribe कर देना, and I'll see you next year. Bye bye.